Hey everyone, I'm going to share with you how to make another decoration for Christmas. It's super easy. This way you can use all your fabric that left over. The measurement that I have it here. This is the stripe that I already folded to save some time here because it take a while. I want to go more detail. So this pocket's nothing. That's why I did it ahead of time. 4 inches wide. And I have it 24 inches long. And the first thing I fold it in half, iron it, and then after that you get in the top and the bottom fold in together, and then you iron it. After that you go to fold both together and then you iron it. So now I have 4, and this is the fold. It is beautiful. You're gonna fold all of them in half. Fold it in half. Let me just cut the beer out. You see, I'm not even done yet, and then it growing beer already. I'm gonna cut the beer too much. The best way, easiest way everyone can follow. I have done this. And I tried the easiest way so I can share with you. Now you're going to get the green one or blue, whatever you show on the camera of my screen. Open and park on the top. You're going to get the pink one. The fold it here and let this fold go. Let the blue go right into the fold of the red. So it's both of them going in, okay? Not 1, 2 of them. Going in like this. The green one, I keep calling the blue. And this is the fold. You have this fold going to this 2 opening of the pink here. Both of them are going together like this. So now, and when you look in here, you have this fold and then you have the opening. You want this fold of the red one, the 4th one, you go into place the 2 opening into this fold. And then in this 2 opening one on this side, go into this fold on the green. Like this. So when you have something like that, you're gonna fold it. You're gonna form the square in the middle. Keep pulling so it can form the square. Make sure it's even. When you look in here, you see that you have 4. The green, and the red, and the red. Fold just 1 green. Go down to this side. Make sure it's going evenly. And then this going up. This green going up. On this red right here, you're going to take the red one and you're going to weave under this green like that. Go on top of the first green and go under the second and pull like that. You're going to take this red one, just one. You see this right here? Glue this up. Let this red one go under. Go inside of this. Under this loop. So it can lock everything in. Pull. 2 is staying like this and staying like this. Make sure everything's staying down. If you do the paper, you do exactly the same. Okay, so I can do this. Okay. You're going to turn under like this. Okay. And then make it like a pointy triangle like this. But when you turn it, you're going to make sure. You're going to make sure this side it go down this way and this side it go straight, nothing curved, like this, okay? And then from this side right here, you're going to fold in. When you fold it in, you're going to make sure it's going to line up this side, like this. Okay, like this. And then you're going to fold it back inside. Now this time I'm using the clip that to help me to hold this thing so I can stuck it inside. Now you're going to hold this piece underneath here. You see the red one right underneath? The red one right here. Lift this up and stuck this green under the red one. You can get the tweeter and pull it out if you like, but you'll be able to do this. Put your finger in there and pull this out. Take this out. Pull. When you pull, every time you pull in, you're going to fix it to make sure it stays in evenly, like that. Now you one side of the green one done. Now we're going to the short red one. This is the short red, so we're going to turn this way so it's easy to do. Do exactly the same way. I'm going to turn this out, but underneath like this, okay? Underneath like that. And then you're going to fold it back one more time. You fold it, you make sure it's even like this and it's straight like that. You're gonna fold it one more time. Like this. Now you're going to clip this so you don't need to worry about losing it. You're going to hold this red one. This one that you just did it on your way, you can lift this up. You're going to put it under the green. The red now go under the green. Exactly the same one like last time, but because the first one is on top, you have to lift it on the side. Put it on the side. Now you're going to stuck it in and pull it out. Pull this out. Take the clip out. Pull. Put this back. Now you have done two. Turn this around so you can do this green one, the short one. Remember we have 4 short, that green, it's exact the same. So now we're going to turn this way. Turn it out. Turn it back. And fold it again. Clip it down. The red one is cover that, lift this out. And so this one can go under the red one here. Stuck it inside of this pocket and pull. When you pull, you can take the clip out. Put this back. Now you see you done 3. You're gonna turn around. This is the last red one we're going to do. So we did 3 already. Do this one. Fold it outward. Like this. Fold it back in again. Make sure it's straight. Going this way. Fold it in half. Like this. Clip it down. And now you're going to, this is, move that out the way. See this square right here? Lift your finger underneath, inside it. Square. And then move this, stuck it inside, and then pull. Same way. Take this out. Now when you look at it, we're done on one side. So we're going to flip it over to the other side. When you flip into the other side, you can see now the two just join together now. It's back like that. Okay, and we have the short one and the big one. We're gonna repeat the exact same for this long 4 pieces right here. Okay, so we're gonna do one at a time. We're gonna get the green, turn in this way. Now this is easier because it have the guideline right there, then you can follow. Pulling this down exactly the same way, and then folding it in. Same thing. And if I can find the clip, oh, here the clip. I need the clip. We need the clip. So now on this side right here, we're going to stuck it inside the great one right here. Pull it back, pull the red back, and pull this down. Ta-da! You're done with one, and now we're going to do the red one. So turn this around. You can make it easier. Do exactly the same. Turn in this way. And then turning it in. Do exactly the same like the last one you did. Same thing, nothing different. And then fold it back the same way. It make it easier because you're done so many times now. Lift this up, this one on the way. Take that away so you can stuck this inside the green here. Same old thing, everyone. Basically, one thing over, you repeat it 8 times. And then you pull. Let go this, and then you pull. Pull the red, put it back where it belongs. Now you're going to turn this around. Continue to do. Now we have 1 green to go and 1 red to go. We done 2 green and 2 red already. So do exactly the same. Turn this, and then fold it again. Like this. Flip it down. This one on the way, lift this out, and then stuck it inside of the square, the red one. You're going to pull. When you pull, you let go the clip, and then you pull. And fix this square. There you go. Now you have that one too. So put it back. Now you go into the red one. Fold under. Same thing. Fold in. Same way. Fold again to meet that, and clip it. This on the way, move that, stuck that inside of the green, and pull. And now you have something like that. Okay, so everyone, now when you look at it, now we are done. Super simple and it's easy to do. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the extra away. We gotta be careful, everyone. So I'm gonna go right to here, right up the side. You can cut right there. Make sure you don't cut the fold. That's gonna be super sad. This extra right here, hold it. You're going to do something. That for one side. And then this side right here, do exactly the same too. So right next to it, cut it. Gonna stay right inside so you don't see it. And it right here, go ahead and cut it. There we go. And then on this side. Now that is one side. The extra right here, hold it. We're gonna do something else in the future. You don't need to throw that away. Now you see how cute that is. Turn into the other side. Do exactly the same. The extra, cut this. Like that. That one side. And then turn into this one. Cut. We're done with stucking thing in and folding. No, cut. Longer is better, so you can cut after when you're done. You don't want it too short and then you don't know what to do. And so that basically it. I just want to make sure for the safe side, go up, go back into where I cut, and then I just lift it up and I add the glue underneath there. I just want to make sure it's nothing on the loose, like that. Okay, and on this side too, I'm gonna go ahead and lift this up gently. You don't want to leave any glue mark on it. All your hard work. Okay. Just tiny bit glue underneath, okay? No need to put a lot in there. So you can hold on to it and go right inside and wipe that up. How beautiful. And then turn into this side. You're gonna do exactly the same. And we are done, everyone. Just put a little bit, wipe that, and then that. Okay? And do the same thing to all that four corners and that. So I'm gonna cut the string, and then you can hang it up on your Christmas tree. Right in the one of the corner here, you can open it and then add the glue inside, and then add the string in for your ornament. A bit glue under, like right inside of that, and then place this in. Place this in. I'm gonna go ahead and add just a bit of glue, and then it stay there for you. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I'm sorry the video a little bit long. Stay safe and take care, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also watch the ad for 30 seconds before you skip, so we can continue to share more video with you.